Now we're going to go through creating parameters. Parameters are handy if you want to create data-driven tests that will run multiple iterations based on how many lines of data you want to run. So if I can open up my test case here, we can see that I have a couple of steps here that involve the filling in of data or information into the test application that I'm running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out email here, and I'm going to click insert parameter, and I'm going to put email in here, and now I've created my parameter. It says @email. Now when I press enter, you can see email is created down here underneath parameter values. I can now start entering data according to that parameter underneath. And I can enter multiple lines. So now we can see I've entered multiple lines of data. Another way of creating a parameter without pressing the insert parameter button, and if you're writing test cases and you're filling them in quite quickly, you can just press @ and then the name, and that will also create a parameter. So I can just enter some DUD data here. And now this test is set up, and it's got two parameters, email and password, and it will run 3 times when I go to test it, because I've got 3 lines of data associated with the parameters. I don't want to run it 3 times, I just want to run it twice. So I'm going to highlight this line of data and click delete iteration. If I wanted to, I could also highlight the password column and click delete parameter. But I don't want to do that. So now when I save and close, those parameters are now saved, so that when I come back in, I can see they're still here. I could also add shared parameters, and that involves using the web portal. We'll talk about that in the next bit.